So given the problem for items number 1, 2, and 3, which reads the cabinet measures 70 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide, and 170 centimeter high. What is the volume of the cabinet? For item number 1, what is asked in the problem? When we say ask, we are going to look for the question in the problem. And when it says question, it ends in a question mark and starts with what or WH question. So this one is a WH word and it ends with a period. So that is where we are going to look for the question or what is asked in the problem. Now for number 2, which reads, what are the given facts? In the steps of problem solving, the given facts, in other words, are the given. The given numbers are the numbers that you're going to put together or you're going to use to solve the problem. So let's go back to the question. The question is, the problem, the statement. So this part of the question, the sentence. The cabinet measures 70 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide, and 170 centimeter high. So you will get the given numbers from the statement. Given numbers are basically numbers that are found in the problem. So for item number 2, can you manage? What are the given facts? Now talking about number 3, what is the answer? It says there, use V is equal to length times width times height. So you're given the formula that volume is equal to length times the width times the height. Volume is equal to, allow me to do that again. That volume is equal to the length. When we say length, how long is the object times the width. The width is from the word how wide is the object, and then times the height, which is from the word high. How high is the object? So if we're going to draw that into a figure, it will look something like this. This is the height. This is 170 centimeters per height. This is the length. The length is 70 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Now that you have the given, the length, the width, and the height, you can now actually solve the problem using the formula V is equal to length times width times height. Or maybe we'll try to do the illustration again because it's a bit confusing, no? It should be, notice that your height is 170, so it should be longer. The height is 170 centimeters. That's your height. And your length is 40 centimeters. Length is equal to 40 centimeter. Your height is 170. Your width is equal to, no, your length is 70, sorry, 70, and your width is 40 centimeters. So that's better. That's a more realistic illustration since our height is higher or longer than any other given. So now given the illustration and with the formula length times width times height, what is now the answer? Just substitute your values, no? Plug it down. You have length times width times height. What is your length? Write it down. Multiply it with the height. Write it down. And multiply it with your width. With the width and then the height. You write that down. So your answer will be blank. And notice that the measure is centimeters. So for volume, it will be centimeter cube. Because you have 3 unit measures. You have 3 units there. So that's centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So what do you think is the answer for number 3?